heard music.
Whether they're hitting a high note or a hi-hat, your kids will break down what music is all about.
Come on, everyone, let's rock this riff.
They'll discover different styles of dance.
We're gonna do the whirly bird.
Enjoy some interesting instruments.
You can always use more cowbell.
And count to the beat.
It's time to count by five.
Online, they can make their own instruments with the Bubble Guppies and create a hit show with the Fresh Beat Band Hip Hop and Pop Concert Maker. We're rocking out all month long on Nick Jr. and online at nickjr.com/rockstar. Nick Jr., the smart place to play.
You're playing with Nick Jr. Check out what's coming soon to Nickelodeon.
Or maybe 30 or 40 umbrellas. Lots and lots of umbrellas. Lots of the colour blue. Maybe it has lots of umbrellas.